big news coming in on alcohol being served at a BJP MP's Thanksgiving party. People queuing up to collect alcohol at Dr. Sudhakar's party, a Thanksgiving party. Dr. Sudhakar, who won Chikbalapur constituency, decided to throw this massive booze party for his followers and his constituents there. In fact, this happened in Nelamangala, where a Thanksgiving party was organized by Dr. Sudhakar in Chikbalapur. The BJP MP there, we believe, has also sought permission for this party. And we see an official BJP letterhead where it's written clearly that they're going to be having a party, a big event that they're going to organize where alcohol will be served. And they sought permission for alcohol to be served and police bandobast. People there seen forming long queues to collect alcohol bottles that were brought in trucks. What's raising questions here, of course, is alcohol being served all in the presence of police. Neta, an MP, a BJP MP, who's serving alcohol in his constituency, unfortunately has also sought permission for the same, but the police, we believe, in Karnataka denied permission, saying that alcohol should not be served. They will face consequences, but eventually permission was granted by the excise department. All right, let me cut across to DK Shivkumar, who's also commented on it. Let's hear it.
The culture of the BJP and Mr. Naddaji, the national president, I don't want the local leaders to reply to it. I want the BJP president, national president, to just reply to it. And it is the culture of the BJP.
I think what happened in Sudhakar's function is a function where he is they're distributing liquor. And I think if BJP believes that that's the way we have to appease their supporters, then that is their thing. That's their philosophy then.
Let me cut across to Anaga Keshav joining us live for more on that. Anaga, how did Dr. Sudhakar get permission to serve alcohol in an open field in such scale? We see truck loads of booze being brought in Nelamangala. They're being distributed to people there, people standing up in waiting in long queues to get access to it, all in front of the police. And I heard your report, information is that the police in Karnataka refused to give permission, saying alcohol should not be served, but somehow Dr. Sudhakar has obtained permission from the excise department. Give us more clarity on this.
Well, that's right, Nabila. In fact, when we spoke to the SP in Bengaluru Rural, he mentioned that he did warn the BJP Neta earlier that if any such issue arises, then we will take action against you. We will file a case against you. Is the kind of warning that that the police department had given to Dr. K. Sudhakar, but still he went ahead and obtained permission from the excise department. So everything has happened with the permission of the excise department, which is essentially the government. And now Dr. K. Sudhakar has been pulled up for the kind of Thanksgiving party that he has thrown, where alcohol was openly and publicly served to scores of people who came there. In fact, we also saw trucks that came inside the party venue serving alcohol to people. That is exactly what we witnessed. Even the Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar, he has pulled up Dr. K. Sudhakar, stating that we need a response from BJP's President JP Nadda, pointing fingers at Sudhakar, saying this is the kind of culture that you have in your party. You either rectify this or we will take action, is what DK Shivkumar also mentioned.
Anaga, a quick word from you, but how do they get, if Congress is slamming this, but the same Congress's excise department has granted him permission?
Well, that's right, Nabila. That's the kind of double standards that we are talking about. It is the government that has given Dr. K. Sudhakar to go ahead and host that party. In fact, even Sudhakar wrote a letter from his office to the police department seeking that in this party there will be alcohol and food served. So we want additional police deployment, was the official letter that was written by Dr. K. Sudhakar. So everything is on record here. On record, he has obtained permission to go ahead and serve alcohol. Very questionable. Nobody knows as to how this exactly unfolded, but somehow he has officially gotten permission, despite the fact that police department has warned him. The government has given him permission, and the same government.
So clearly, the Congress at this point has no standing when it comes to slamming Dr. K. Sudhakar. It has no standing because they themselves have issued permission, granted permission for alcohol to be distributed so publicly at an open field in Nelamangala. Despite the police not giving a consent, saying it could cause law and order situation, we're looking at the Congress's excise department granting permission to Dr. Sudhakar at this point. Thanks, Anaga.